friends, let's start today's topic, date function in Power Query. So in this date function we are going to cover options like age, date only, hours, year, month, quarter, week, day, subtract dates, combine date and time, earliest and latest. To learn this topic I have created some sample data. Column names, employee name, date of joining, last working day, date of birth, login time on last day and login time. So with the help of this data we are going to cover today's topic. First I save this file and close this file. First we have to click on get data, Excel workbook. Our file name is date. Click on the sheet date and then click on transform data. For visualization purpose, I am going to delete these columns. So first we are start with the year option. So we have employee name and date of joining of the respective employee. So from date of joining, if we are going to cover this year point and date section. Suppose we click on the year, we got the year of each employee. Next one is, suppose we want to know start of the year, then we will get this result. Every time we have to select the column date of joining and then we have to click on end of year. So this is the end date of the respective year. I am going to undo these steps for visualization purpose. Again I have selected date of joining. Now I am in the month section, so it shows month in every date, first month, second month, etc. Again I click on the date of joining, month, start of the month means first day of the every month, date of joining, month, end of the month means last day of the month. Some month have 30 days, some month have 28 days, 31 days. As per the month it shows last day of the month. Days in month, here we can see in the May we have 31 days, in February we have 28 days, and in July we have 30 days, etc. Name of the month: May, February, January, June, July, September, July, August, October, etc. So we have done with the month option also. Again for the visualization purpose I have deleted all the steps. Then next option is quarter of year. First quarter start from January month, January, February, March, first quarter, then second quarter, third and fourth quarter. Start of the quarter. So it is not easy to obtain a result in just a few seconds of every quarter first date. So here in Power BI, we can easily fetch first day of the quarter using this option. Okay, quarter, end of the quarter. So it gives end of the quarter, end date of the each quarter. Week, week of year means 28/05/2021. 28 date is in 22 week of the year. Week of month, it is 28 date means fifth week of month. 12 date, third week of month, etc. Start of week. So week started on 24/05/2021 and the date of joining of Newton is 28/05/2021. End of week. Week started at 24/05 and week end at 30/05/2021. So we are done with week of year, week of month, start of week, end of week. Now we see day option. First I clear these all the columns for visualization purpose. Day, 28th day of the month, 12th day of the month, it's easy. Day of week, 4th day of week, first day of week, etc. Day of year, so 28/05/2021 is 148th day of year. Start of day, it shows same value as a date of joining. End of day is same. Name of the day, it's showing the weekday name, Friday, Tuesday, Monday, etc. So we cover all these options under day section. So in date we have covered year, month, quarter, week, day. Now we see subtract day option. It's not visible now because we have only select one column. Now for subtract day, first I am going to select last working day and then I am going to select date of joining. Then we have to go to date option, subtract dates, and now we got the answer. So date of joining and last working day. So this first employee seen Newton working in a company for 948 days. So we got our expected answer. Next option is combine date and time. For this, first I convert this login time column, change the type of this column. Currently it's showing date and time. I am going to convert it into time option. Now it's showing only login time, and if we want to cover last working day and login time of each person, actually this is a logout time, so I am going to change the name of the column. It's not a login time, it's a logout time. Logout time. To change the name of the column, we have to just double click on it and we can change the name of the column. Now we have to look for combined date and time. So last working day is the date and logout time is mentioned in the last column. So then we have to click on date option and then combine date and time. So we get our expected result. This is the last working day and this is a logout time for particular employee. So I have given a name, logout details for last working day. So we see the use of option. We say use of subtract dates, combine date and time. Now we are going to check next option, earliest and latest. Both are easiest option. For visualization person, I am going to delete these steps. If we want to check earliest and latest date between two columns, then we can easily see that we have to select date of joining and last working day, and we have to select earliest. So we got the earliest date for particular column. See, we get the result. Obviously date of joining is earliest, so we got same result in all the column, is same as a date of joining. Again we have to click on date of joining and last working day, go to date and click on latest. So it compares between date of joining and last working day, and we got the result latest date as a last working day. So done with these options, subtract days, combine date and time, earliest, latest, and already we have covered these options: year, month, quarter, week and day. Now three options are remaining: date only, hours and age. So here in this column we have login time on last day. In column contains date and time. So if we want to fetch only date from this particular column, then we have to click on date and just click on date only. So we got our expected result in the new column. Then age. For the age, we have date of birth column. We have to just click on this column, go to date and age. Now we got the age in the age actually got in the days parameter. Generally we measure age in the year parameter. To convert in age into the year, we have to just click on age column, duration, total years. So we got the result, and currently we have the column type is decimal number. So if we click on the whole number, we got exact answer which we want for total years or age of the person. So this is the age of the first employee, that is C Newton. 28 years for second employee Linda Paul. So we have covered now age also, date only, and the last option is remaining, that is parse. First I am going to delete the steps for visualization purpose. So parse also do it fetch the date from the our date from the column. Suppose we can take the example as a login time and last day, but it fetch the date from the text column. So we have to change the type of the column to text. Now we have converted this column into the text column. We have to select this column and again go to parse, and the result is we fetch date from the selected column successfully. For only parse we require a text column, so it is a use of parse. We can fetch the date from the text column, because when we select on the any date column, you can see we have data type as a date. Here also data type is date. So this is the use of parse option. So guys, we have completed, or we have covered this date function in Power Query. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos on Power BI. Thank you.